how to download WhatsApp Business on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to download WhatsApp Business on Android. So to get started, go ahead and open your Android device. So on your Android device, go ahead and head over into the All Apps section. So for mine, I need to scroll up to be able to find my apps. And then from here, look for the Google Play Store. So go ahead and click on the Google Play Store. You can also use any Play Store that you have on your device. So make sure to open the app and then make sure that you're signed in to your Google account. Click on the search tab and then go ahead and use the search function to search for WhatsApp Business. So on the results, click on WhatsApp Business and then click on this install button to start installing the app into your Android device. So once you have installed the app, you can go ahead and open it. And to be able to set up a WhatsApp Business account, you need to go ahead and make sure that you have a WhatsApp account first. And that is how you can basically download WhatsApp Business on Android.